Hey guys, this is Jam of jamonline.ph, and today we're gonna unbox and take a closer look on the OPPO F11 Pro. So this is their latest mid-range smartphone, and yes, we got a full screen display similar to the OPPO Find X. So let's talk about the specifications of the OPPO F11 Pro. So the OPPO F11 Pro packs a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display. It's a panoramic screen, they call it that. Then there's a 48 megapixel rear camera with 5 megapixel. So that's a dual rear camera. It packs an ultra night mode with AI scenes recognition. Of course, we got a 16 megapixel rising camera. So basically, there's a we don't have a notch here, and we have a rising camera. So we also got here a Helio P70 processor, 4 gigs of RAM, or 6 gigs of RAM, but the one that we got right now is the 6 gigs, 64 gigs variant. So it also comes with a 4,000 milliamperes of battery, and of course, it comes with VOOC 3.0 charging, and we got a fingerprint scanner at the back. So the smartphone comes with ColorOS 6, so it's running on Android Pie. So yeah, what are we waiting for? So let's unbox and let's take a closer look on the OPPO F11 Pro. Alright guys, we have here the OPPO F11 Pro. So let's unbox this smartphone. So inside we got here, of course, the pin for the card tray. We also got here a case. Oh, my bad. So we got here a darker shell or darker case. So no rubbers on the side, but does really look good and does have some texture at the back to add some grip to the smartphone. Then of course we got here the manual that I'm pretty sure none of you will read. And we got here the OPPO F11 Pro. So yeah, let's check it out. Ooh, wow, this is really beautiful, but we have to place this one on the side first so we could check out the box of the F11 Pro. So inside we got here the micro USB to USB cable. So it comes with a green color inside because it supports VOOC flash charge. Let's check it out. So we got here the charger. So it supports an output of 5 volts, 4 amperes. That means that this one can charge up to 20 watts. Really fast and really good. Not the fastest one, but pretty good for a mid-range smartphone. Of course, we got here the earphones that looks like the earpods. So yeah, I'm gonna place this one back. So yeah, you already know what's inside the OPPO F11 Pro. So now let's check out the smartphone itself. Okay guys, so you're looking at the OPPO F11 Pro. As you can see here, this is what we call a beautiful smartphone. So we got a blue and violet hues in here. I actually like the colors of this one. It reminds me of the OPPO Find X. We also got here the fingerprint scanner, and of course the dual lens camera at the back with the LED flash. And the design is symmetrical. Well, I'm not really sure how to call this one, but it's like a horizontal design. It actually looks good whether you use it like this, you look at it like this, or you look at it like this. This one is just beautiful. However, the smartphone is a little bit thick for me. I'm not sure why, or it is pretty heavy for me. And yeah, the build quality of this smartphone though, this one is really good. I like the feel of it. I like the quality of it. I'm not sure if this is glass or plastic, but it does feel really, really solid, and I really like it. So yeah, thumbs up to OPPO for that build quality on the OPPO F11 Pro. So on the right side, we got here the volume rocker. We got the green accent over here. I'm not sure why. We got here the SIM card tray. And on the left side, we got here the volume rocker, which is placed slightly in the middle, which is pretty good, so I can access it really quickly. And at the top, we got here the elevating camera or the pop-up selfie camera. So below, we got here the headphone jack and also the micro USB port and the speaker grill. On the front, as you can see here, we got here the panoramic screen. It isn't similar to the OPPO Find X, as this one is actually a flat display. There's no curved display in here, but as you can see here, I actually like the looks of it, and it is really clean to look at, as we do not have a notch on the F11 Pro. Another thumbs up for OPPO for that. We got here the chin and as you can see, it's running on ColorOS 6, so it's also on Android Pie, and I actually like the look of it. I mean, look at it, it's beautiful. It's a lot better compared to the previous ColorOS. So if you've seen my previous videos before, there's a big difference between the OPPO F11 Pro's ColorOS 6.0 and the previous ColorOS. So yeah, another thing that I like about the OPPO F11 Pro. So let's talk about the software of the smartphone. So as you can see here, we got a really nice display, really good colors. Everything was really vivid on the OPPO F11 Pro. So let's talk about the software. So the ColorOS 6, we got a revamped UI. So you can see here, everything is quite good to look at. It looks like a big buttons in here, but it does add to the beauty of the smartphone. Of course, you got here the navigation buttons. You can actually change the navigation buttons if you wanted to. And then of course, you got here the software, the other softwares or the applications pre-installed, including these tools over here. So clone phone, so you could easily transfer your phone to this one. You got Music Party if you have a lot of OPPO smartphones with Music Party. We got Game Space or Roaming, so you could use this one overseas. We got iReader, Lazada. I'm not sure if this one will be pre-installed here in the Philippines, but yeah, nothing much that are pre-installed on the smartphone that are really useless. So we got here the 47.8 available storage, and we got 64 gigs of 47.8 available storage at 64 gigs internal storage. And we got 6 gigs of RAM. This one is running on Helio P70, and as you can see, it was quite smooth. Everything is really good on the smartphone. So how about the camera? Well, as you can see here in the camera, we got here the rear camera, video, photo, portrait, and of course we got here the nightscape mode. So basically this is the night mode of the smartphone. Though we only have a dual lens camera, so we do not have a wide angle lens, so it's kind of disappointing for me. However, it's just fine. We got slow-mo, time-lapse, expert, panorama, and yes. So let's check out the selfie camera of the smartphone. So as you can see here, this is the selfie camera of the smartphone. We got here the pop-up selfie camera at the top, and as you can see, this is quite good. I mean, it won't break your smartphone when you force it to that, so don't worry about that. So we got here some sample shots, so do check it out. So this one is a selfie. As you can see here, well, it is detailed, but the colors are kind of oversaturated for me. It's a little bit oversaturated, and I really got a darker skin tone, and I'm not sure why, but the background is quite good. You got the right colors on the background. So this one is on another photo mode. I guess we got beauty mode over here, so I look smoother. I look cuter. Just kidding. Anyway, this is the portrait or bokeh mode. So as you can see, you got a more bokeh shot. This one is the rear camera. As you can see, we got a really nice vivid colors in here. Really vivid colors and a really nice dynamic range. What I like about the OPPO F11 Pro is we got a really nice colors on this one, and everything looks colorful with the OPPO F11 Pro. So yeah, so basically that's it for the camera of the smartphone. So those are just my first impressions. So yeah, don't forget to check out my review soon. We will post a review of this one, so we'll use it for for a few days, for a few weeks, and I'll show you how good the OPPO F11 Pro is. So yeah, I guess that's it for our unboxing hands-on of the OPPO F11 Pro. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, now's the time to subscribe. So once again, I'm Jam of JamOnline.ph, and thanks for watching our hands-on and unboxing of the OPPO F11 Pro.